It's going to be my way na ulit. At mukhang sabi nga niya in that last time out, let's go to Mark Kagiwa. And looks like they're gonna stick it to Mark Kagiwa and try to see kung gaano kainit talaga to si Kagiwa.
Abantala, the pass to Leona Honda, and a wild situation inside. Jojo Duncil with the assist.
Broken play para sa Red Bull. Actually, defense of Ginebra again holding on that time around. If not, a bit of luck already going the side of Red Bull pagdating dun sa play na yun.
Kanina pa humahalik sa sahig ito si Paul Artadi. He gets the pass. Ooh. Helter Brand! Way out! 3-3. J.J. Hildebrand, one of the hittingest players on 3 points.
At naglayo na naman nun ang lalayo ng mga binibitawan ng mga players here ng mga 3-point shot. Really the defense forcing them to go that far out.
Inside to Parada. And off the glass.
Dami na nagpapagsakan ngayon.
Oh. Well, this is an all-important game dahil cross motivations eh. Itong Ginebra gusto nilang tapusin. Ang Red Bull naman sabi, ayaw. Hildebrand, inside. Wala Artadi, wide open. Montic. And again, Alexander comes down with the offensive rebound.
And you know, Ginebra's been doing a great job on offensive rebound in this fourth quarter. Shots aren't falling, but they're getting more attempts, and that's what's important, to get more attempts para ma-even out yung percentages.
Artadi inside. Inagawan, hinablutan ni Adam Parada. Na Horda against Junti. Andiyan ka na naman, Alexander.
Grabe si Chris Alexander. It's about the will and the drive to block that shot. Ang layo pa niya, hinabol niya eh. Dito pa kasi nagka-turnover. Look at where Chris Alexander is. Nandun siya sa ilalim. Fast break situation. He's trailing.
Saan ka lang galing? Andiyan ka na kaagad.
I'm gonna save 2 points for my team.
Duncil. Parada. Inside to Cyrus Baguio, back to the basket shot. Nice cut by Cyrus Baguio. He has 19 points now. And Red Bull is up by 5. 5.5 minutes to go. Paul Artadi. Nakatingin kay Alexander. Alexander against Rayback. Alexander backing up. There's a double team. Eric Meck held down by Warren Ibanez. Sabi naman ni Warren, ano namang gagawin ko, no?
I think wala nang mas appropriate term pa kaysa sa held down. Talaga hinawakan yan eh. Kulang ka lang sumakay at maglagay ng 5 piso para gagano para parang kabayo eh.
Sama ako. Samantala,
14 seconds on the shot clock.
14 seconds on the shot clock here para sa Barangay Ginebra. They're down by 5.
Mark Kagiwa back on the court. He's the guy to watch, definitely.
Ito, Mike Rayback trying to hold his own against Chris Alexander. Kagiwa! No.
Rebound again.
Rivas, ayan na naman yung offensive rebounding ng Barangay Ginebra. Alexander na naman. And this time, Rayback is going to be called for a foul.
You know, one of the guys that came back from sick bay, marami yung ibang tao hindi nila iniisip na importante siya, but it has to be Rafi Rivas. In this game, so far, Rafi Rivas trailing only Chris Alexander in terms of rebounds. He has 14 rebounds for his team. Those are huge.
Grabe. Matagal-tagal din. Naka-civilian yung parati.
Naubos na nga yung civilian eh.
Alexander against Parada. Alexander underneath the basket. To the basket, Junti. Valenzuela against Rich Alvarez. Valenzuela fires. Wala. Warren Ibanez for the rebound. And there's a loose ball foul. Could be on Rayback as he boxed out Rafi Rivas to allow Warren Ibanez to get the rebound.
You know, when you look at this possession so far, or this trip down the court para sa Barangay Ginebra, Red Bull has been playing defense for almost a minute now sa dami ng nakuha nilang offensive rebound.
Grabe yung rebounding ng Barangay Ginebra. Sa kasalukuyan, mga kaibigan, meron pa tayong 4 minutes and 44 seconds remaining in the game. Red Bull by 5. We'll be right back.
Saan na tayo?
Ni hao, welcome to China.
Huh? China?
Drive your way to Beijing in Caltex's Drive the Dream promo. You can win a trip to the Olympic Villages in Seoul and Sydney or to the 2008 Olympics to cheer Team Philippines live. Get a scratch card when you buy from Caltex or Star Mart to join and win instant prizes.
好嘞，玻璃窗擦好了。
Yan ang service.
Gas up at Caltex now.
Puno na tayo, ba't di pa tayo mag-start?
Wala pa yung driver eh. Paano tayo mag-start?
Start pa ang problema? Mag-Outlast Maintenance Free Battery ka! Start na ka! Outlast Maintenance Free Battery! Start na ka!
This is my phone. This is a clone phone. My phone is dual SIM. This is dual SIM too. My phone has service centers sa buong Pinas.
Service centers?
If I have problems, I can call a My Phone service center anytime. Ikaw?
Pag nasira ang phone ko, hindi patay. Hello?
Substitution, J.J. Hildebrand for ball.
Balik po tayo rito sa Araneta Coliseum, Chris Alexander. Nakikita po ninyo sa ating Coke Sarap Dito moment. As J.J. Hildebrand sees him downstairs. Rafi Rivas. Nice back pass. Ang ganda at ang sarap ng teamwork dito. Brought to you by Coca-Cola. Sarap dito. Hildebrand. Pull-up jumper. Finally, Red Bull gets possession. Ang tagal doon sa Ginebra ng bola eh. Parang football eh.
That was a shot that J.J. Hildebrand has made all series long. Not really a good game in terms of shooting percentage para kay JJ so far.
Warren Ibanez finds himself open. Lakas eh.
Layo.
Hildebrand. Kagiwa. Inside. Yes! Pa-side view pa. 29 na. 29 points for Mark Kagiwa. Vic Pinisi looking inside. Can't find anybody there.
Oh,
layo.
Layo.
Layo ng pasa.
That's right.
Kasi naiilang siya kay Chris Alexander, so he passed it wide, too wide.
But back-to-back, actually, that's a turnover and then a air ball on one side para sa Red Bull. And again, Barangay Ginebra, nandyan na naman sila.
Remember, Barangay Ginebra wants to end this series here and now. Hildebrand. Binigay kay Rivas, binigay kay Hildebrand. From the corner. Wala. And Rich Alvarez comes down with the rebound after Cyrus Baguio in the front court. Up against Kagiwa. Ginabas kay Mick Pinisi. Balik ulit kay Cyrus. Baguio inside. Naku, taas. Pero nakuha ni Celino Cruz. Nothing there. And Junti Valenzuela picks the rebound. Rivas. Kagiwa. Oh, my goodness. 31 points.
Oh, but this will lessen the pain para sa Red Bull dahil tinapo ni Mark Kagiwa yung bola pagkatapos ng layup eh. Or tinapik niya eh.
Nagkaroon na ng warning yan kanina, so technical foul na.
But you know what, at this point, even if Ginebra is still down by 1, you can see a lot of jitters dun sa play ng Red Bull.
Medyo tentative.
Actually, hindi lang medyo. Very tentative.
Yeah.
And if you're on the side of Barangay Ginebra, you